In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Amazon to your Shopify store. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Apps. This is where you'll find the tools and integrations available for your Shopify store. After selecting Apps, head to the Shopify App Store. Within the App Store, locate the search bar and type in CS Amazon Sync. Wait for the search results to appear, then find the CS Amazon Sync app and select it from the list. When you're on the app page, click the Install button to begin adding the app to your Shopify store. The installation process may take a few moments. Once it has finished, the app will be added to your Shopify account and will be available from your admin panel. Next, return to the left-hand menu of your Shopify dashboard and locate the newly installed CS Amazon Sync app. Click on it to open the setup screen. Inside the app, you'll begin the connection process between Shopify and Amazon. Look for the Connect button and select it. This will start the process of linking your Amazon account with your Shopify store. Follow the prompts provided during setup. The app will guide you through the required steps to establish the connection. Continue through each screen and complete the requested actions until the connection process is finished. As you move through the setup, make sure you follow each prompt carefully. The setup screens will provide the instructions needed to securely link your Amazon seller account to your Shopify store. Once the connection has been completed, the integration is ready to use. At that point, your Amazon account and Shopify store will be connected through the CS Amazon Sync app. To quickly review the process, start from your Shopify admin panel, click Apps, open the Shopify App Store, search for CS Amazon Sync, install the app, return to your dashboard, open the installed app, click Connect, and complete the setup prompts to link your Amazon account. After the setup is complete, your Amazon account will be connected to your Shopify store through the app. If you ever need to revisit the integration settings, you can return to the CS Amazon Sync app from the Apps section of your Shopify admin panel and manage the connection from there. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you connect Amazon to your Shopify store. Happy selling!